Alright, crazy bus. Go. What are you doing? 500. It can sometimes drive you a little bit. What are they having UFC tournaments for? I guess that's the way they get more customers in India. The time has come. Dunk and Chrissy Boy. Well, we are leaving Mumbai and we are heading to Goa on a 1 hour flight. Thank you. She's a big bird and nice knowing you. The goes up in a big bag of flames, mate. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
Very good. And yourself?
Lovely.
Good, good. Oh, getting pushed through there, Dunk. Hello, guys. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, thank you. Thank you. Hey, mate. All right. I was smooth, mate. A good takeoff. And yeah, the total flight is 55 minutes. And yeah, the distance from Mumbai to Goa is 700 kilometers, give or take. 600, give or take. A bit bumpy. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye. Cheers. Woo! Touchdown, Goa. It's all right. That flight was 42 quid. It was more than Dunk and I wanted to pay. But we left it too late to get the train. And also we didn't want to get a 15-hour bus.
Because in the seat, she was pushing me, go. I was like, fucking chill out.
How are you? Good?
Happy?
Steady on, girl. You're about to go.
Where are you from?
Wales and UK.
UK.
Yeah. Let's go drive.
तू भी आएगा.
Why? Why you are it?
Because we're big time.
They are robbers.
Good morning, people. We have arrived in Goa at a place called Diablim. Yeah, we arrived into this hotel room late last night. It was past midnight when we arrived. And we actually arrived in a place down the road. And when we got there, we tried to check in and the owner said that pretty much they double booked our room. Anyway, so they took us on the scooty, the moped, 2 minutes down the road to the guest house. And this is the room that they gave us. So one bed that is split in two. So I'm a little out of it, mate. We didn't get to sleep until like 4:30 last night. We've got a fridge, mate, with absolute no beer or water in there. We got the kettle, we got the zebra curtains that look out through the jail bars to other rooms. We got the big mirror, mate. We got a Dunk in a bed. We got the wardrobe. And then, let's have a look at the bathroom, mate. Toilet, shower, sink, mirror, mate. So yeah, we paid 12 quid for this. It also comes with a fan and an AC unit that was dripping all over our shit last night. The plan is to go from where we are, which is Diablim. Am I pronouncing that right? Dabolim. I'm always butchering the words, mate. About 2 hours north to Arambol. That is the house that goes on my back, boy. This is where we stayed last night. Really nice area. And for the price, 6 quid a piece. That's the guest house. And yeah, the morning surroundings, mate. Coconut trees everywhere. Palm trees stretching up. Here it is. Namaskar. Arambol, huh? Fuck me, look. How's that for an entrance? Shit, what? We lost now. I'm not sure if we got on the right bus. Sorry, boy. Hello, namaskar, bhai sahab.
चलो चलो भाई चलो फटाफट ಅವರ ಮೆಸೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲು ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Thank you, Dwayne. Thank you. Good, mate. Have a good one. Good, brother. Have a good one, boy. Crazy bus. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. We literally just woken up, walked a little bit, got a drink, jumped on that crazy local party-style bus. And yeah, here we are in another part of Goa, waiting for another bus, then 2 other buses. Panjim there, is that Panjim? Yeah, okay. You gotta go. Which one's Panjim? Which one? Which one's Panjim? Yeah? Take these away. See you, brother. Cheers, bros. In a bit. Bye. Go ahead. First seat. First seat? Okay, yeah. You have the place to keep the luggage. Thank you, sir.
Rumble.
Alright, what's going on?
Let's go to a rumble.
Hey, I tell you what, you don't need a coffee in the morning if you do it the way that Dunk and I have this morning. Crikey, mate. 2 buses almost down, 2 to go. Thank you, brother. We've arrived in Panjim. Let's go, Dunks. Pardon, sir? Over here. Okay, thank you. 1:30. Okay, brother. Thank you. Paisa nahi hai. Paisa nahi hai means something like I haven't got any money, so I'm always using it. Mapusa. Hey, where we going? Where we going? Boys. Mapusa. What are you doing? I made you. This one, man. Fucking hell, boys. Fucking hell, what are they having UFC tournaments for?
Where's Mapsa?
He's fucking fuming. Fuck me. Jello by subs. What the fuck is going on there? I'm not sure what was going on there, mate. We were about to have a scrap, eh?
It could have been that bad. I'm glad I'm on this bus.
Nutters. Oh, mate. I guess that's the way they get more customers in India. Jello by subs. The 3rd bus is done. Now it's time to board the 4th, if we can get off. All right, I'm pushing out. Or maybe not. Okay. What's up, boy? Thank you, Danny-bad. Mate, what a spin out. Right, we've just come from this one. And our final bus to Arambo.
White bus with a guy with a pink shirt on.
For those people who don't travel a lot, this is actually a lot of what traveling is. Hey, brother. It's a lot of, well, just moving around, travel. Like you do a little thing here and there, an activity, speak to a few people, stay a few nights, you know, but you never really settle into a routine. This is like the reality of pretty much being on the road as much as, well, a lot of kind of travel vloggers and stuff are. But yeah, mate, this is Mapusa bus station. Now final stop, Arambo. Arambo? Cheers, mate. Sorry guys. Let's squeeze in, Doug, not.
1 hour.
Right, so you alright? Can I squeeze in here? Cheers, boys. Thank you. Oh,
Squeezing way to Arambo. So you're here for 1 hour.
let's go and grab some food quick. Hopefully the bus doesn't leave.
Thank
you. Oh man, I think the bus is going. Cheers, anyone? Bottle of water, 2 bags of crisps. Traveller's diet, mate.
In India, Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Yeah, Uttara is like U, Khand is K. So all the bike and cars numbers you can see UK07.
Bangalore all the way up to Delhi. Strawberry or chocolate? We've got chocolate now.
Yeah.
Chocolate?
Chocolate bar.
ये मैं इधर ही रुक और भी आएंगे.
We've been sat here now for what, half an hour? All good. We got ice cream. Good too.
Yeah.
Foreigner prices, yeah. We have arrived in Ramble. Let's go and check out the vibe and find a place to stay.
I've never got a chance to eat it, but it's tasty.
Alright mate, have a good one. Cheers brother.
She's
A long drive. Fucking hell. Hello. I'm going, I'm going. Hello, yep. Hey, take it easy, mate. Cheers, mate. Cheers, guys. Bye. Social battery, energy. I'm pretty done today, I'll be honest. Pretty done, mate. Mate, the amount of like small, annoying conversations that you have to have repeatedly when you travel, mate, it can sometimes drive you a little bit. We're kicking back before we continue the hotel hunt, mate. And we have got pretty much what Dunk and I are eating throughout our Indian excursion, and that is fried eggs and toast with a ton of Tommy K. The best way to eat it. Right, so a guy's pulled us on the side of the street and he said room, and we've said kitna rupee, and he said 800. Bhaiya thoda kambaru. Bring the price down, bhai sahab.
The shoes off now, lad. Get those shoesies off.
I'm digging these shoes.
Keep them on. Woo! Let's get in here.
Hello, sir.
This is
Say hello to our
This is
buffet.
my room, this is.
No.
Right. Comfy?
Yeah,
Oh, is it? Fucking hell.
yeah.
This is slapping off.
Inside shower toilet.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Wi-Fi.
Sink, mirror, toilet, shower.
Shake your bed this minute.
Bed.
Wouldn't want to be doing any
Jiggy.
business in this. I wouldn't want to be doing any jiggy.
I give you one. No? Okay then.
Yeah, we done.
What's it like?
Give some jiggy jiggy.
If you can do it for 700, we'll take it.
700 right?
No, Papa.
No way?
2 person is 1 person 400. 1 person 400. 2 person. 2 person.
We'll have a look around, we'll come back. We'll come back.
Yeah. Woo! We have a beach, people. We have a beach and a Royal Enfield. Let's look for some beach huts because Dunk and I want to get a separate place tonight, but I think it's going to be super cheap anyway. The guy back there, the nice old man, he dropped it from 800 rupees to 700 rupees for the room, but we kind of wanted to be down by the sea and see what action was going on down here. Yeah, it's awesome. All right, we are down to a 600 rupee room per night here, just on the beach side. What's your name, brother?
Amit.
Amit?
Yeah.
मेरा नाम Chris.
Chris. आपका सर?
मेरा नाम Duncan. Duncan.
Duncan.
Duncan, yeah, Duncan.
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 All right, let's see this puppy then, mate.
So far, I'm liking this place. It's a fun vibe. It seems like I'm
Yeah, it will take a few minutes. The boy is cleaning the room.
Hello, boys.
Yeah.
Good?
It will take few minutes.
Ah.
He will clean the room and we can...
Tell you what, don't clean it. We'll take you for 300.
Take it.
Take it 600, mate.
Yeah.
No need.
Wi-Fi?
Yeah, Wi-Fi is available.
What do you reckon, guys? 600? That's 100 better than the guy who showed us before. Double bed.
When I woke up this morning, I said to myself,
Fan.
I'm staying in my own room tonight. And here we are.
Sink in the ensuite.
Happy days.
Shower. Toilet.
Jiggy jiggy last night in here. Jiggy jiggy. Someone jiggy
Not sure what that is.
No.
Yeah, mate, we're gonna take it. Deal, sir. You want to take it?
Okay, we'll do it.
Who are we dealing?
I'm shaking the cleaner's hand.
Yeah, thank you. We'll shake yours. I'll shake yours. I'll shake Dunk's as well. Do you know what?
Do it.
Yeah. Well, Dunk wanted to get his own room tonight, but we're now together again, baby. Anyway, that is the great. It is. Oh yeah. But.
Okay. Brother, just one issue. Just noticed that the Wi-Fi range is like not connected in this room. It will be available at the down floor, at the ground
That's
floor.
fine. I'm not going to do
It's
it.
okay.
Yeah.
Absolutely fine.
500.
Down there is the counter.
500. Oh, we'll take it for a week, brother. This is the lovely view. And yeah, mate, that is the great Aramble Goa hotel hunt all done. So yeah, looking forward to it. It's going to be a good laugh. Now Dunk and I are going to chill and then we're going to get on the whiskies and I'll probably jump in on another vlog with you. But yeah, thanks for watching. I know that was a really messy vlog. Again, I'm going to put it down to we're still recovering from the head injury. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Cheers.